Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. Do USDA loans require a minimum credit score? What are the minimum credit requirements for a USDA mortgage? When qualifying for a mortgage, everyone knows that your credit scores are critical. In today's short video, we will discuss USDA credit qualifying requirements along with the applicable underwriting guidelines. Now, before we get started, don't forget to take advantage and download our USDA Blueprint for Success with the link below. This free guide is designed to walk you through the USDA process step by step and is a great tool for both homebuyers and realtors alike. As a starting point, USDA defines a credit score as follows. A credit score is a statistical number that evaluates an applicant's creditworthiness based on their credit history. The credit score considers payment history, amounts owed, percentage of credit used, length of credit history, types of credit, and newly acquired credit. Additionally, the USDA Guaranteed Underwriting System, also known as GUS, will determine the acceptable credit score to be used, which depends on whether it is an accept, refer, or refer with caution underwriting recommendation. These underwriting recommendations dictate the way lenders approve a USDA loan and what minimum required documentation is needed for closing. An accept recommendation provides for streamlined processing and simply means that GUS has accepted the credit as is with no further credit score validation required. However, a GUS recommendation of a refer with caution, and for those manually underwritten loans, it will require a more stringent review of the loan file along with a minimum credit score validation as follows. One applicant whose income and/or assets is used to originate the loan must have a validated credit score. This applicant must have 2 trade lines on the credit report that had been, are open for 12 months based on the date the account was open, as stated on the credit report. A validated score does not indicate the applicant has an acceptable credit history. A validated score confirms that one applicant has an eligible minimum credit history. Additionally, USDA guidelines state that the following trade lines are eligible to validate the credit score and may be open, closed, and/or paid in full. Loans, both secured and unsecured, revolving accounts, installment loans, credit cards, collections, charge-off accounts, and authorized user accounts where additional qualifying criteria has been met. In summary, in order to obtain USDA loan approval, remember that minimum credit conditions will be required, which includes having an acceptable credit reputation. Additionally, although USDA guidelines do not have a defined minimum credit score, lenders may establish minimum credit score requirements that must be met, which can vary from lender to lender. Metroplex Mortgage Services is an approved USDA lender who holds both experience and expertise with this unique program. Just call or email if you need help with a pre-qualification, want to discuss a new scenario, or just like to take advantage of our free second opinion service, which is great for those existing transactions. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.